current I2 on multimeter? Okay, so in order to calculate the value of current I2, we can make the voltage source V1 as a short circuit. Okay, so after simulating, we can display the value of current I2 on a multimeter. So can anyone tell the value of current I2? किती आहे value of current I2? दिसतंय का? Yes, give a response.
69.811.
Okay. Okay, so note down the value of current I2 as a 69.811 milliampere. Okay, so we know the value of V1 and V2. So the value of V1 is 5 volt and the value of V2 is also a 5 volt, right? After that, in order to calculate the value of I1, we can consider the voltage source V1. Okay, so when we consider the voltage source V1 in a Y parameter, so at that time we can make a voltage source V2 as a short circuit. And when we have to calculate the value of I2, so we can consider the voltage source V2 and we can make V1 as a short circuit. Okay, so the value of current I2 is 69.811. Okay, so now we know the formulas of four parameters. So can anyone tell what is the formula for y11? सांगू शकते कोण? What is the formula for y11? Yes, give a response. What is the formula for y11 in two port network? Hello. Yes, my voice is audible. Yes, anyone tell the formula of y11? Hello. How to calculate the value of y parameters? Have you studied two port networks? लक्षात आहे का फॉर्म्युला? Yes. Yes, tell. Hello. Yes, tell. What is the okay. So use of four parameters. Okay. So you know the formula of y11, y12, y21, and y22. Okay. So in order to calculate these four parameter, we require the values of v1, v2, then I1 and I2. Okay, so once we know the formula of these four parameter, we can easily find out the values of y11, y12, y21, and y22. Okay, so note down the values of I1, I2, then V1 and V2. Okay, so once we know the values of these four values, then we can calculate the parameter. So can anyone tell what is the value of y11? सांगता येईल का? The value of y11? Yes, how to calculate the parameter y11? Akanksha Jadhav, Akanksha is there? Aditi Patil, yes, give a response. Aishwarya Patne, yes, how to calculate the values. Meenakshi Patil,
Yes, sir.
yes, so now we'll have
Yes, sir. Hello.
how to y1, what is the formula of y1?
सर तुमचा आवाज नाही येत नाही.
आवाज
आवाज
ऋषिकेश
ब्रेक होत आहे
ऋषिकेश is
सर.
there? ऋषिकेश ओके सगळ्यांना सेम व्हॉइस इज ऑल
नॉट सर.
Not clear.
okay so have you note down the values of these four things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll put the values of these four things in a chat box and you can calculate the y11, y12, y21 and y22. Okay, so the value of phi1 is 5 volt. So note down, everyone note down the value of four things. Okay, so everyone note down the values of these four things: phi1, phi2, I1 and I2. Okay, and then you can calculate the values of y11, y12, y21 and y22. करता येईल का आता? Yes, can you do it? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so note down the values of phi1, phi2, I1 and I2 and then calculate the values of four parameter. Okay, so by using this method, we can calculate the values of y parameter by using a simulation software. Okay, so similarly we can also calculate the values of z parameter in this way. Okay, so note down these four values and calculate the value of y parameters. Okay, so have you understood it? Okay, so note down the values of phi1, phi2, I1 and I2 and then you can calculate the values of four parameter. Okay, okay, so it is the simulation of y parameter. Okay, so by using a multisim software we can easily calculate the uh, various uh, y parameters by using a multisim software. Okay, so calculate the values of these four parameters, and next practical we can see in a next session. Okay, so now you can put your attendance. Okay, so everyone note down the values of V1, V2, I1 and I2. Okay, yes, put your attendance and you can left now.